Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. This is the actual VW Touareg that I fixed the left hand side door, all adjusted. So this is the right hand side, so I locked the car. The car's locked, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to try the keys. We'll try the left hand side. Open. Closed. Still lock. Open the car. Open. Closed. Alright, now everything is all adjusted on the both sides. See, it's a lot of stuff I have to remove. A lot of drilling, a lot of mucking around to get to the actual parts. Especially that door there was a really painful process because I couldn't open the door and the door trim, and everything was fitted but nothing was connected. That's why it was like that. So now everything works. The only thing I'm going to do now is put everything back together, and then that's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm going to put it back. Lock, lock, open, open, lock, lock, open. Alright, that's done. Now I've got to assemble the whole car back together. It will take a little bit more time, so at least that's all done now. So the hard bit's done. Now the assembly is going to be done as well, so I'm going to line up all the frames and windows and all that, the seals and all that to be 100% before I give it back to the customer. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.